All right, let me start by thanking you for requesting for this video and asking to be able to watch this video from the person that showed this to you. I'm about to show you step-by-step guide. You can make your first $1,000 online in case you have not made it before, and if you've made it before, you can make much more than that online. I want you to stick to me because the information I'm about to give to you in the next few minutes on this video is probably undoubtedly one of the most important information you would get this year. All right, a lot can happen in a man's life when he has access to the right information. This is what my life used to look like when I did not have what I'm about to show you. But after I had what I was about to show you, this is what my life now looks like. So there is nobody, all right, that cannot become anything that they want to be. All right. Now, when I first learned what I'm about to show you, all right, in 6 months, when I first learned it, within a 6 month period, I was able to generate over 254 million naira. I was living in Nigeria at the time. I live in Dubai right now. That was about $1 million as at that time. All right. I was able to generate up to $1 million within a 6 month period. Ladies and gentlemen, the same thing that has changed my life, that has made me able to earn in dollars, you can see in my hand, I've also been able to teach it to a lot of people. One of the interesting young men that I've been able to impact is Abdul Salam. He's in Nigeria, he's based in Ibadan, in Nigeria. If you know Nigeria, um, that's where he's based. He's 23 years old. He has no university degree. He was struggling, worked 4 years as a carpenter. And after 4 years, he tried to start a business online. He was duped. He went into all this Forex stuff and what have you, and lost all his money, left with only 50,000. He met me tail end of 2020. Right now, as at May 2022, he has done over 100 million. This is him receiving a check of 60 million Sefa, all right, which is roughly about 70 million naira. He has done over 100 million already. Not only him, this is my current adopted daughter. She's going to be 18 this year. At age of 15, made her first million, and this is her collecting a check of 10 million naira. Please forgive me. 10 million naira is going to be roughly about 20,000 US dollars, all right. That's for an 18 years old. This is my friend from school. We went to the same university or college as it may be in your country, because I believe there are people watching me from different parts of Africa right now. All right. And he was also able to use the same information you're about to get to be able to do over 3 million within a couple of months. And this is Ine Joseph, phenomenal young man, has done over 30 million within a short period, about 18 months, with this same information that you're about to get. Now, most of the checks that you are seeing are from Nigeria and Cameroon. That's because that's where we've had major events presenting checks to people. And we're most likely coming to your country next. And guess who is going to be standing with me, shaking my hands and collecting their check is you. If you decide to act on the information you're about to get, please relax. This has nothing to do with any of the things that you know before, because this is completely new, unique, and different. This is David. David was looking for 10,000 naira, which was roughly about $10-20 at the time he met me. And within a 1 month period, became a millionaire in Naira and generated over 18 million Naira in his first year. This is him collecting a check of 7.5 million. And we had another young lady represented by Casey, phenomenal guys, collecting a check for her because she couldn't make the event. Has done over 35 million worth of business because of the same information that I learned that made me $1 million in 6 months. As a matter of fact, after making that 254 million I showed you, I was able to do over $2.5 million in less than 2 months with this same model that you're about to learn about. All right. And this is Rema. Rema is doing phenomenal stuff as well. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is represented by Treasure Kalu. This check is for Kenny Wokoye. Kenny has done over 75 million with the same information you're about to learn. Now, enough of all of these things. Let me quickly show you your perfect vehicle to a monthly $1,000. Before I do that, there is something very critical that we need to solve, and that is called your magic number. So I'm going to be writing on my screen quickly what I mean by a magic number, and I will allow you to select quickly which of them do you think you would prefer the most when it comes to talking about your magic number. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are talking about your magic number. All right. So remember, our goal is 1,000 US dollars. You just do the exchange rate in your country, whatever that means. Now, there are about four numbers I'm going to write, and you can use either of them. So the first one is one person giving you $1,000, all right, every month, and that will make you your 1K dollar online. Number two is 10 people giving you $100 online every month, and that will also make you your $1,000. The third one is 100 people giving you only $10 every month, and that will also make you your 1K dollar. And the final one is 1,000 people giving you only $1 every month, and that would also make you your 1K online. Ladies and gentlemen, which of these four do you want to choose as your magic number? This is where the game begins. Making $1,000 or $10,000 or $100,000, whatever amount you want to make, just do the breakdown of the magic number like this. This is all you need for a start. Do you want one person paying you $1,000 every month? Is that product and service that you can offer that they will pay you this amount? All right. Do you want just 10 people? You don't want crowd, just 10 people that can afford $100 paying you this online on a monthly basis? Or do you want 100 people that is paying you $10 online every month to be able to generate this? Or you are a people person, you want crowd, all right? Make it very affordable so that a lot of people can rush it, all right? Some product or service at $1 and you'll be able to make the same $1,000, all right, online in that context. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is what we call the magic number. So, how would you sell this? How would you make your magic number work for you? Let's assume you pick 10 people paying you $100, or you pick 100 people paying you $10 for a product or service. What product or service would you sell? How would you sell it? How would you be able to get these people to give you this $10 on a monthly basis? Please permit me to introduce you to the online 1K club. So right here, this is a mission that I believe God lays in my heart, because I figured out that what gives me the best joy, all right, is when I help other people make money. It's not when I make money myself. I've learned how to make money. I've been making money. I've, by God's grace, bought everything that I need. I can afford to do anything that I want to do. I fly private jet. I fly first class. Most of the time, I have my own apartments. I've seen virtually everything that I really wanted. My life right now is about significance and duplicating myself in other people. So I have a vision in the next 1 year to raise 100,000 people across Africa who will learn, all right, everything that I know, all right, all the different business cases that are available to be able to generate up to $1,000 online. Now, please remember, I understand that most people who are watching this video, especially you are watching it right now, do not have a lot of money and you want to make money. That's why you are here. So I'm not about to ask you to go and bring some ridiculous amounts in the name of I want to teach you how to make money. No, what this is about is really impacting you with the skills, the platforms, the opportunities, and different things that you can involve yourself with legitimately with your mobile phone and internet connection that can actually bring a lot of income your way. So what are the things that are waiting for you inside this club? Let me quickly run you through it in order to show you exactly how this is going to be possible for you. The first thing you're going to be getting on this club is a special training that I've created showing you 6 steps that you need to take in order to be able to generate your first 1K, your first 10K, any amount you want, dollars online. You can put it in your local currency as well. You can follow the same principle that are here. There are about 6 secrets on this training. This training is worth $100, but you're getting it for free as a member of the online 1K club. Number 2 is affiliate marketing for digital products. This was the business model that made me hundreds of millions, all right, within a short period of time. This was the same business model that made me $2.5 million. I simply became a middleman connecting A to B, and automatically I started making a lot of money just by doing that. I still do that till date. Jeff Bezos of Amazon, that's his business model, all right. Uber, Airbnb, all of these amazing companies that you know that is their business model. They are able to generate billions and hundreds of billions of dollars in revenue and valuation just because they are in the connector economy. And we're going to be showing you how you can use this regardless of who you are, regardless of where you are, in your first 30 days to generate a minimum of $100. Don't miss this out. All right, the next thing you're going to be getting is a training on how to build websites for different businesses and individuals all over the world. Even if you don't know how to code, don't worry. This is a drag and drop software that you're going to be getting a training on how to use it. You're going to be getting a training on how to make money with it. And believe me, you can make up to $2,000, $2,500 currently every month building sales funnel and website for people using this simple software. So you're going to learn everything about it. This training is also worth $200, but you're going to get it for free because you are part of the 1K club. The third thing you're going to be getting is a full A to Z training on mini importation from China. You want to import different products from China. You want to know what to import, where to import from, how to import, and most importantly, how to sell what you import at a very big profit margin. Building your own e-commerce business. You will get all of that training. Is worth $100. You're getting it for free in the 1K club. All right, I'm not done. Amazon KDP. How do you publish books that you did not write? All right. Summary of people's book, the different niche that can make you serious dollar, hundreds of dollars, tens of dollars on a daily basis. In 4 hours, you can put up a book completely from start to finish. And you can do this every day. A lot of you already work 9 to 5 for a peanut at the end of the month. The same hour you're putting at your job, if you can put only 4 hours into this, all right, every day, you'll be able to generate a book at least every day in different niche. So you're going to be trained by one of the finest coach. This gentleman is generating thousands of dollars from Amazon on a daily, weekly, sometimes basis, all right? And he's going to be showing you his strategy, the behind the scene, exactly all he's doing that can also allow you to be able to get this done. This training goes for $50, but you're getting it for free as a member of this club. Now, this is the big one. How many of you have your mobile phone and internet? Definitely all of you, because you are watching me right now with a mobile phone and there is internet on it. So if you have that and you have time to press that phone, you can press phone to multi-million this particular year. All right, my friend Futurist Kwame has this very special course called airdrop farming. It's going to train you and coach you on how to become an airdrop farmer. Airdrop are crypto rewards that are given to you for different actions that you perform. All right, when you perform these actions, you are paid based on the company or the project that you are doing these actions for. So if you have time but don't have money, this is perfect for you. All you need to do is to perform simple tasks and you can be able to. And the last airdrop Kwame got was worth over 3,000 US dollars, free money. He has one student that did over $250,000 free money from one singular app. I have to drink this water. This one is very critical. All right. So I am so excited at what you'll be able to do with this information that I'm giving to you right now, because guess what? He's going to be giving you over 150 projects that are likely to do airdrop in the next 1 year. Just imagine if you have, let's say, 10 of them working, and the minimum you got is $1,000 worth of token from these 10. That's over $10,000 for you in the next 1 year. Help me multiply that in your local currency and just have an idea what you could make. That is not all. The big one. You are not just going to learn these things. You are going to be put under a 25 weeks mentorship with myself and some of these amazing people that are making money online. All right. So they're going to be answering your question, guiding you and showing you other things that you need to know that are not taught in the course already. Maybe things that are evolving over a period of 6 months. And the reason I'm putting you in this particular mentorship group is because I want to monitor your progress. Over a period of 6 months, I want you to at least have made your first $1,000. The least person. All right. That is why I'm putting you inside this group. When you put everything together, it's worth over $1,650. All right. This is them listed again. The 6 steps to earn 1K online: affiliate marketing for digital product, web design and funnel design training course, mini importation program, Amazon KDP income generator, crypto airdrop farming, and of course the 25 weeks mentorship. Total $1,650. But we are launching this program at only $100 very soon. This is the pre-launch stage. And ladies and gentlemen, you are going to be paying only a ridiculous pre-launch price. Let me quickly show that to you right now. You're not paying the general $1,650. You're not paying the $100. What you're going to be paying is what's showing on your screen. If you're watching me from Ghana, this will cost you only a one-time 200 cedis. Nothing more. You're not paying anything more. If you can afford 200 CDs, then you can make $1,000 online because everything required is awaiting for you. In your first 30 days, you're going to be going through an implementation program that is going to help you make your first $100 online. If you have not made it before, this will work for anyone that has brain, that has a mobile phone, and that has internet connection. These are the three things you need: brain, phone, and internet. Do you know the good news? You have the three. That's why you're watching this video right now. If you're in South Africa, 240 rands, that's all this is going to cost you once and for all. If you are from Cameroon, my beloved country, I'm coming to Cameroon very soon. I'm not from Cameroon, I'm a Nigerian, but I'm based in Dubai. All right, this will cost only 10,000 CFA. If you have that one note, 10,000 CFA, you're good. In Ghana, one note, 200 CDs, you're good. If you're in Nigeria, my country, don't worry about Bada Blue or whatever is happening right now. Let's focus on you making money with only 10,000 naira. All you have to pay, you can borrow this money. It's not shawarma money for two or three people. As a matter of fact, 2 people, shawarma don't finish, 10,000 don't finish. All right. So with one time 10,000 naira, you get access to this club for life. All right. And if you are in Kenya, Jambo, all you need is just 1,500 CDs and you get access to all of this. Now, I have some very good news for those of you who are going to take action immediately. As you are watching this video right now, there's a link that somebody is going to give to you. The person who invites you to watch this video is going to give you a link. If you are able to do your payment immediately, I have this set of bonuses for you. The first thing I'm going to be giving you is a copy of my book, L'Equation Chemistry de la Gent, the money chemical equation. In this book, I taught 3 secrets that can allow you make money easily online. All right, worth $50. Then I have a training that will make you never be broke again, regardless of the SAPA or village people, like they call it in Nigeria. If you've been struggling to succeed in life, but you're not getting result commensurate to your effort, this video rather, will clear everything for you. All right, it's a 3-hour long video that is going to show you the 3 secrets of whether the secret society does not want you to know. You are getting it for free as well. And I'm also going to be giving you my premier course, how to make $50 weekly with your WhatsApp. This is a crazy program that you cannot afford to miss. So you're getting all of that, including, this is another one, how to get free followers on Instagram from anywhere in the world. You can get up to 200 followers on a daily basis from any part of the world that you want. All right. I'm going to show you this costs you nothing, completely free, and you can grow your social media influence using the strategies that I'm going to show you. So this fast action bonus for fast action takers is going to give you these 4 things for free. So the moment you get the link, register, make your payments, log into the platform, you're going to receive an email from me. Provided you can do this within 24 hours, you're going to receive an email from me that covers all of this amazing stuff. Now, the book is going to be e-copy, that's ebook, and the audio version in case you don't like to read. So you'll be able to listen to the audio version of that book. And the 3 wealth secrets are videos that you're going to watch, 3 hours video. And then the rest of them are also video courses. So I'm giving everything to you. All you have to do is, if you're in Ghana, 200 CDs. If you're in South Africa, 240 CDs. If you're in Kenya, 1,500 Kenya shillings, 10,000 cefas. If you're in Cameroon, 10,000 naira. If you're in Nigeria, if you're in any other country that I did not mention, I think it's going to be about an equivalent of $13 to $15 is what you would have to pay to be a part of this. I hope this information is clear for you. I don't want you to waste any time. I want you to get right back at the person who is sharing this with you right now, and let's get started. This is going to be amazing. Thank you for watching.
A powerful business coach, millionaire mentor, a multi-talented serial entrepreneur, Africa's most sought-after sales guru.